My name's Paulo Hodnicki, and I'm a co-founder and chief technology officer of CorePower Magnetics, and I'm also a faculty at University of Pittsburgh. At CorePower Magnetics, the company is looking to commercialize advanced alloys and advanced manufacturing processes, and the University of Pittsburgh is a natural partner because of the capabilities in materials science, advanced manufacturing, and also electrical engineering. CorePower has a very unique, scalable manufacturing technology for amorphous and nanocrystalline alloys. These are advanced soft magnetic alloys used in applications like motors for electric vehicles or advanced solid-state transformers. And working with University of Pittsburgh, we're looking to upgrade the annealing capabilities using an inline process that leverages advanced manufacturing. And one of the big bottlenecks for being able to take this type of a technology to market is really finding personnel and trained students with the right capabilities. And so by working with students, developing students, the hope is that helps to both improve workforce overall for the industry and then also for CorePower. One of the things that's been really striking is to look across Pennsylvania and see the very strong industry base in soft magnetic materials and their applications. So southeastern PA, southwestern PA, western PA, there's actually a tremendous number of manufacturers. So I think PA really is a leader in this industry. In Pittsburgh specifically, because of the steel industry history and current, and also the strong history with electric power, this area of advanced materials, magnetic alloys, higher efficiency, sort of next generation products to meet the demands of electrification, it's sort of a natural fusion between those. And I think that really positions Pittsburgh to be a definite leader. But I also, as I mentioned, I think Pennsylvania as a whole has a tremendous amount of capabilities that are able to be brought to bear moving into the future as well. So University of Pittsburgh is a university that really balances both the strong engineering technical expertise, but also a very pragmatic approach to solving real-world problems. And I think that goes back to the roots of the same types of trends that I just talked about with electric power and metals. And I think that for that reason, it's really a uniquely well-positioned university to help with the specific problem set that we're working on.